XD on this track. Let's go. This flow's animal, cause I'm a monster, man. I'm a beast. I'm a killer. Beast mode on. Let's do this. Instrumental crazy. You ready? I'm ready. Yeah, let's get it, man. Ha. Voice is not soft, I'm harsh like an animal. Eating up all these rappers cause I am a cannibal. Everything I do, you can feel it's tangible. So hot, I am lucky that I'm not flammable. You fail every time you try, that's laughable. But I'm just taking this game so casual. Seeing life from a different angle, diagonal. Everything I do, every way infallible. Every word I spit is gold, so valuable. They be like, XD, then that rapper supernatural. He's gonna blow up everywhere, international. Look so clean, that snapback so fashionable. With one in his fam, almost incompatible. Not passable, A's in school but ungrammatical. Give me a sabbatical, I could use a break from all these morons and hate how I'm the one that's fake shit. They are just basic, smoke till they faded. The whole life's a lame stint. Only pills I pop from the doctor. Only thing I smoke is competition, I'm a monster. Would you agree? Coming like a raging beast, I suggest you bet on me. I'm growing like a forestry, ain't coming for the highest seat, but still look inside of me. This is what I live for, whips and clothes, I guess that's the goal. They fall domino